Hey guys, Richard here from the School of Nomads. So I wanted to go through a video talking about the reasons you're not making money online. Now the reason I want to talk about this is because these are the reasons that I wasn't making the money online for a very, very long time. So hoping some of these will kind of resonate with you and you can kind of change some things that you're doing and maybe have some more success. So if you're making loads of money online, skip this video, no need to watch it. But if you're kind of struggling, then it might be useful for you. So the first one is lack of patience. Now, the big issue with starting a business online is it's like starting a business anywhere. You don't always start making money straight away. Now, you're expected to come online, especially when you start reading lots of sales pages, and start making money the next day. And it's absolute BS, right? Most of these guys make money by selling those products to you, not by using any kind of tactics in them. So what you need to do is be very patient and figure out one tactic and just stick with that tactic. And then you'll start seeing some kind of value out of that and some kind of return on it, right? So lack of patience is an absolute killer with most people that come online. Now the second one is obviously related to that. It's kind of shiny object syndrome. So you go onto Warrior Plus right now, there'll be lots of products on there that are promising you done for you money within 24 hours, complete newbie friendly and dead easy with free traffic. And then that's 80% of the products on there, if not more. And it's all absolute rubbish. They don't actually use those products themselves. They're selling you a dream. It's emotionally driven, really, really poor, right? So you get suckered into all of these products. And I did the same. I spent thousands on products like that. Because somebody said I was going to earn thousands the next day, I believed them. So you've got to wake up from that and use your common sense and think, right, I need to go and figure out one thing to do and stick at it. Whether that's blogging or that's YouTubing or going on Fiverr and making your money on Fiverr, whatever it may be, stick to that and let it run for 6 months to a year before you even decide to swap. I'm afraid that's how patient you need to be, right? So shiny object syndrome is a really big deal. The next thing is, you overcomplicate this process. My business is a landing page, a bridge page, and a sales page. And obviously the product itself is really good quality. It's a proper training course that actually teaches you how to do it all. That's my business. There's no other pixels, there's no funny paid traffic, there's nothing else. I drive traffic from YouTube and I stick to YouTube because I know if I start branching out, the quality of the stuff I do is going to go down and down and down, right? So don't overcomplicate the process. Stick to one thing and just leave it. So don't worry about pixels, Facebook pixels when you're first starting out. Don't worry about fancy graphics. Go on Canva and grab something for free. Don't worry about your lighting too much. Don't worry about your microphones. Just get on with it and do whatever you're going to do. So if you're doing something like this, right, just don't worry too much about lighting. I think the sun just came up then, right, and it's probably ruined the lighting on this video. Not worried, right? You just need to get on with it and actually start implementing the strategy you're going to use, right? So this is the problem when we're first starting out, is we're trying to be too perfect and we're looking at these gurus and we're thinking that's where we need to be. It's really not when you're first starting out. You'll get there if you start implementing things and just do it and do it and do it. You'll get there in the end. But the problem is that people are very, very impatient and they kind of overcomplicate everything thinking this is the tactic that's going to win, and it's not true. So the next thing is, guys, you've got to be putting in the hard work. Now, that might mean content. You're actually making content. It might mean that you're learning things. So when I first started video marketing, I had to learn how to use my video editor. I had to use how to do lighting. I had to use how to set up microphones, how to do videos, how to edit video, all of these things. It took me hundreds of hours to actually do all that. Now, when you do it for a while, obviously it just becomes second nature, but you need to put in the hard work to do that. And content takes ages to do. But you need to put in the hard work to make sure you get that stuff done. And then it'll become easier over time. And a lot of people can't be bothered. They want too quicker push button riches, right? They want to be too fast. I'm afraid you got to put in the hard work. And if you do that, you'll get success. And the last thing is, guys, I mentioned this before in videos, you need to stop following the wrong people. You're trusting people that are selling you absolute garbage as if they're experts. and they're not. They're very, very good at marketing bad products. That's what they're very, very good at. They don't give a toss about you. They don't give a toss about your business and how you want to develop. All they want to do is earn that money and run, basically. So if you want to private message me, I'm quite happy to give you the people that I actually trust online. And this is after years and years of following the wrong people. So quite happy to do that. I'm not going to mention any names on this video, but you know the guys fast and loose on Warrior Plus that really don't care about you. You never get any kind of feedback off them, and you know, just very, very poor. So you got to start following the right people, because for too long you've been following the wrong people who are just selling you junk every single day. So guys, I hope this video was useful for you. This was just kind of reasons you're not making money online, and it's really from my own experience. It's no kind of dig at you. It's from my own experience of telling you the types of things that I was doing for many, many years, and now I've got a very, very structured way that I think. I only ever use one tactic, and I only promote very, very few things online. Obviously the main product I do promote is something that I'm involved with actually creating. Absolutely brilliant product, you know, for anybody wanting to start out online. Really, really good. But you know, you do you go out and forge your own path, but just remember that there's certain things that you need to start doing to kind of improve the way you've got a chance of making money online. So guys, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. My name is Richard. Until next time guys, take care.